Hey everyone, and welcome back to Autoverse. Today we're taking a peek into the future, a very luxurious and mobile future. We're talking about the top 5 motorhomes we can expect to see by 2026. Now, I know what you're thinking. Motorhomes from brands like Rolls-Royce and Tesla. It sounds like science fiction, but the world of luxury travel is evolving faster than ever. Automakers are pushing the boundaries, blending their signature opulence and cutting-edge tech with the freedom of the open road. So buckle up as we explore the most anticipated, most luxurious, and most innovative RVs set to redefine road tripping. These aren't just vehicles, they're mobile mansions. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 5 is a name you might not immediately associate with RVs, but trust me, it makes perfect sense. Toyota. Imagine a motorhome built on the legendary reliability of a Land Cruiser or a Tundra. We're envisioning the Toyota Landhopper. This won't be your average camper. Toyota's concept revolves around bulletproof engineering and extreme off-road capability, combined with their renowned hybrid technology. Picture a rugged exterior that can handle any terrain, from desert dunes to mountain passes, paired with an interior that is a masterclass in functional, minimalist Japanese design. We're talking smart storage solutions, modular furniture that adapts to your needs, and a level of build quality that ensures this motorhome will last for generations. The Landhopper would feature an advanced hybrid powertrain, offering impressive fuel economy and a silent electric mode for when you want to enjoy the peace and quiet of nature. It is the ultimate adventure vehicle for those who want to explore the furthest corners of the globe without sacrificing comfort or peace of mind. Toyota's entry into this market would be a game changer, focusing on durability and sustainability. Coming in at number 4, we have BMW with their hypothetical urban wanderer. BMW is all about the ultimate driving machine, and they wouldn't just stick a luxury box on wheels. Their approach would be dynamic and driver-focused. The Urban Wanderer would likely be a sleeker, more aerodynamic Class B or Class C motorhome designed for both city exploration and scenic getaways. Think of it as a Gran Turismo for the camping world. The exterior would be unmistakably BMW, with sharp lines and an aggressive stance. Inside, it would be a driver's paradise. The cockpit would feature BMW's iDrive system, a digital instrument cluster, and premium materials everywhere. The living space will be a testament to German efficiency and modern luxury, with intelligent space utilization, ambient lighting, and high-tech amenities seamlessly integrated. Performance would be key, possibly using a powerful yet efficient plug-in hybrid system, allowing for spirited driving on winding roads and zero-emission cruising in urban centers. This is the motorhome for the person who loves the journey as much as the destination. Now, for our number 3 spot, we're entering a new dimension of electric travel with the Tesla Cyberlander. We've all seen the Cybertruck, and it is not a huge leap to imagine that revolutionary platform being extended into a full-fledged motorhome. Built with the same stainless steel exoskeleton, the Cyberlander would be incredibly durable and have a presence unlike anything else on the road. The design would be futuristic, angular, and unapologetically bold. The real revolution, however, would be on the inside and under the hood. It would be all electric, of course, with a massive battery pack providing unprecedented range, potentially over 500 miles on a single charge. The entire roof could be a solar panel, constantly trickling charge into the battery, making off-grid living a true reality. The interior would be a minimalist tech haven, controlled by a massive central touchscreen. Imagine summoning your RV, auto-leveling it, and controlling all your appliances with a simple voice command. With Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving capabilities, long-distance travel would become relaxing and effortless. The Cyberlander isn't just a motorhome. It's a self-sufficient, intelligent home on wheels, representing the next logical step in sustainable, autonomous travel. All right, the competition is getting fierce as we move to our number 2 pick. This one might surprise you, but when you think about it, it's a perfect fit. Imagine a motorhome from a brand that epitomizes elegance, craftsmanship, and a quiet, almost magical experience. Rolls-Royce. We're calling this concept the Phantom Serenity. This wouldn't be a vehicle you drive. It would be a sanctuary you inhabit. Rolls-Royce would likely partner with a master coach builder to create a land yacht of unparalleled luxury. The exterior would be stately and imposing, with the iconic spirit of ecstasy leading the way. But the real story is the interior. Forget everything you know about RVs. We're talking about a bespoke living space crafted with the finest woods, leathers, and metals. A starlight headliner would extend through the entire cabin. The ride would be so smooth, thanks to a self-leveling air suspension, you wouldn't spill a drop of your tea. It would be whisper quiet, creating a cocoon of tranquility insulating you from the outside world. Amenities would include a gourmet kitchen, a spa-like bathroom with marble accents, and a master suite that rivals a 5-star hotel. This motorhome would be less about camping and more about arriving in absolute, uncompromised splendor. The Rolls-Royce Phantom Serenity will be the ultimate statement piece, a testament to the art of luxury travel. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The #1 most anticipated, game-changing motorhome of 2026. This concept combines the best of all worlds. German engineering, hyper-luxury, and a vision for an electrified future. Taking the top spot is the Mercedes-Maybach Celestial Cruiser. Why #1? Because Mercedes already has a strong foundation in the commercial van and RV chassis market with the Sprinter. A Maybach version would elevate this to an entirely new stratosphere. Imagine the sleek, electric design language of the Mercedes EQ series applied to a large, majestic motorhome. The front grille will be a digital panel, and the two-tone Maybach paintwork will be unmistakable. Inside, it will be a technological and opulent masterpiece. We're talking about the hyperscreen dash stretching across the entire front, integrating navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. The rear would be a first-class lounge with reclining, massaging captain's chairs, a champagne cooler, and an advanced Burmester sound system. The Maybach would likely be built on a dedicated electric platform, offering a powerful, silent, and incredibly smooth ride. It would also feature advanced driver assistance systems, making it as effortless to pilot as it is luxurious. The Celestial Cruiser represents the pinnacle of what a motorhome can be, a perfect fusion of a tech-forward S-Class, the practicality of a Sprinter, and the handcrafted opulence of Maybach. It's not just a vehicle, it's a personal mobile flagship. So there you have it, our vision for the top 5 motorhomes of 2026. From the rugged reliability of Toyota to the silent, electric opulence of a Maybach, the future of road travel looks incredibly exciting. These concepts show that the desire for freedom and exploration is driving innovation in the most unexpected corners of the automotive world. Which of these futuristic RVs would you choose for your ultimate road trip? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching Autoverse. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, travel safe.